Shalom, brothers. Welcome to Hang Esau on the Gallows. All praise to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, and double honors to the elders of GMS who taught me this word. All right. I'm coming back to bring out some prophecy or prophetic news and things that are going on throughout the world. Okay. Watching the news, there's a big flood happening in Serbia, Bosnia. They've been getting pounded with rain. They said that they estimated about four months worth of rain came down like in one day, and caused nothing but straight up mayhem and destruction, and that's prophecy as well, that's in the scriptures, so these are like different signs happening throughout the world, things that we are supposed to be looking for, and hasten for the coming of the Lord and the destruction of this world. When you see things like this, at this degree, definitely these things are, it's prophecy in the making, and I'm just, as we're supposed to do, speaking on it and tying it in with the scriptures, that's our forte. So, I have a video on it, and with that, I say shalom, and brothers, watch the video and enjoy, and all right, and shalom.